A failing mark for the Marcos administration's environmental record. Pro-environment group Alianza Tigil Mina slams what it calls the government's failure to protect natural resources and raises alarm over the proposed Pax Silica project. Micah Razon joins us on the line. Go ahead, Micah.
My pro-environment group Alianza Tigil Mina sees the Marcos administration a failing grade for its environmental performance.
Bagsak ang grado ng Alianza Tigil Mina. So, guro kung sa grado sa eskwelahan, 70, ibibigay namin sa administration. Itong DNR ay pasang-awa. Bibigyan namin ng pasang-awa itong DNR para 75 dahil may kabukasan naman para mag-usap.
ATM, together with other environmental groups, staged a protest in front of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, calling on the government to address alleged environmental violations, including those linked to mining operations and the proposed Pax Silica project. The group stressed that mining has caused destruction and suffering, particularly among indigenous communities. They said these communities continue to bear the brunt of calamities that they believe are worsened by mining activities, while the government continues to issue permits to mining companies despite their concerns. They also raised alarm over the proposed Pax Silica project, saying it threatens to deplete water sources in communities, which could lead to further hardship. The group said they are holding the DNR accountable for what they describe as its failure to fulfill its mandate of protecting both the people and the country's natural resources, claiming that the agency has failed to act on their concerns and hold large mining companies accountable. After the program in front of DNR, the group marched going to Commonwealth Avenue to join other groups who will protest for PBBF's fifth SONA. Back to you, Mai.
Thank you for that report, Micah Razon.